Right.
So all in all, Carl, it's a wonderful opportunity we have, and we continue to look forward to the data centers and work very closely with it.
Chris, appreciate it very much.
Carl,
After
thank
what's
you.
been, I'm sure, a challenging couple of days. Chris Womack over at Southern. Busy week ahead between earnings and the Fed.
Yeah, Fed decision, and I don't know, any day now we'll find out who the next Fed chair is going to be as well. We don't know when that's coming.
Let's get to the judge.
Carl, thanks so much. Welcome to the Halftime Report. I'm Scott Wapner. Front and center this hour, this critical week ahead for the markets. As big tech earnings and the Fed meeting are looming, we discuss and debate with the investment committee. Joining me for the hour, Joe Terranova, Steve Weiss, and Jim Lebenthal. Let's check the markets to see how we're doing to start this week out. And we're green across the board, except for the Russell, which is giving some back. It's been the standout. But, Joe, the big story clearly is what lies ahead. You get the Fed decision on Wednesday, Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla on Wednesday, Apple's Thursday. Friday is the deadline to avert another potential government shutdown. By the way, the prediction markets are seeing a spike in bets on a shutdown with a 78 to 90% chance, depending if you're looking at Polymarket or Kalshi, which we have a partnership with. We'll get to everything around that. Big market moves that we need to discuss. Gold above 5,100 for the first time ever. There's an article out today. Gold has overtaken the dollar as the largest global reserve asset. That's certainly notable. What do you make of what's happening within the markets and all of these other areas that are stealing a little bit of the thunder as we look ahead to these critical earnings midweek?
The volatility that we expected in 2026, it's here. It's present. We're seeing a lot of the trends that we're building at the end of the fourth quarter, somewhat parabolic in their nature right now. You mentioned gold. Gold is giving speculators the ability to hedge portfolios, and they're getting paid to do so. So it's a combination of a parabolic momentum move and the debasement trade, the concerns that are out there in terms of owning currencies. The dollar continues to slide, or maybe owning bonds. We see what's going on in Japan. And global central banks are diversifying away from currencies and bonds, and they are buyers of gold. Just look at what Poland announced recently, one of the largest buyers of gold from a country right now in central banks. So I think it's the volatility that really is the headline. We'll talk about what we're seeing in the Mag 7, the relationship with semis and software, but the volatility is giving you